Hi everyone, so today I'll be talking about exercise 5.6. So question number 1. If 3/4 of the people at an auction bought an item, if there are 120 people at the auction, how many bought something? So the first question, we can use 120 people multiply 3/4, which is the amount of people that had bought something at the auction. So it will become 90. So we would know that there are 90 people that bought something in the auction. Next, question number 2. An essay contains 420 sentences. 80 of the sentences contain typing errors. What fraction, given in its simplest form, of the sentences contains errors? So, question number 2. There are 420 sentences and 80 of them have typing errors. So we can write in this fraction form and we'll simplify it to its simplest form. So it will become 4/21 after we divide 2. This will be the answer for question number 2. Next, question number 3. 28 is 2/7 of which number? So there are different ways to calculate this question. So for example, 2/7 times x equals to 28, and we need to find x. So we can move the 2/7 to the other side, hence x equals to 28, divide 2/7, we'll get 28 times 7/2. We would get 98. This would be the answer for question number 3. So next, if 3/5 of the people in the theater buy a snack during the interval, and of those who buy a snack, 5/7 buy ice cream, what fraction of people in the theater bought ice cream? So question number 4. If 3/5 of the people in the theater buy a snack during the interval, and of those inside the 3/5 people, there are 5/7 people who bought ice cream. So we can times 5/7 so that we can get the fraction of people in the theater who bought ice cream. So we can simplify this and it will become 3/7. So this will become the answer. Next, question number 5. Andrew, Basir, and Candy are trying to save money for a birthday party. If Andrew saves 1/4 of the total needed, Basir saved 2/5, and Candy saved 1/10. What fraction of the cost of the party is left to pay? So a whole is 1, or 1/1. So Andrew saved this much from the total, so we can minus that. Next, Basir saved 2/5, minus that. Next, Candy saves 1/10, so we will minus 1/10. So we would make all the denominators the same. So 1 minus. The LCM is 20. So 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 5 is 5. Minus 5 times 4, which is 20. 5 times 4, which is 20. 2 times 4, which is 8. Minus 10 times 2, which is 20. And 1 times 2, which is 2. So it would become 20/20 minus 5/20 minus 8/20 minus 2/20. It would become 5/20 to its simplest form, which is 1/4. This would be the answer for number 5. Next, the last question. Joseph needs 6 and 1/2 cups of cooked rice for a recipe of nasi goreng. If 2 cups of uncooked rice with 2 and 1/2 cups of water make 4 and 1/3 cups of cooked rice, how many cups of uncooked rice does Joseph need for his recipe? How much water should he add? So firstly, let's write it all down and find a relationship between numbers. So this is uncooked rice. This is water. And this is cooked rice. So if there are 2 cups of uncooked rice with 2 and 1/2 cups of water, it would make 4 and 1/3 cups of cooked rice. So in order to make nasi goreng, Joseph needs 6 and 1/2 cups of cooked rice. So he needs 6 and 1/2 cups of cooked rice. So we can find a relationship between these. In order to find a relationship, we can divide it. So 6 and 1/2 divide 4 1/3. We make them into improper fractions first. Come 13/2 divide 13/3. Flip them. 13/2 times 3/13 times 3/2. So the relationship is times 3/2. So the question is asking how many uncooked rice and how much water. So we can do the same thing here. This times 3/2 and 3/2, and we would get the answer. So 2 times 3/2 become 6/2, which is 3. 2 and 1/2 times 3/2. 2 1/2 times 3/2. 5/2 times 3/2. Yeah, 15/2. Sorry, 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 2 would be 4. And after the simplified form, it will become 3 and 3/4. So the water needed is 3 and 3/4. So the answer to every question is question number 1, answer 90. Question number 2, 4/21. Question number 3, 98. Question number 4, 3/7. Question number 5, 1/4. And question number 6, 3 cups of uncooked rice. And 3 and 3/4 cups of water. Okay, that's all for me today. Thank you.